Hyderabad city audition. We, as FVP FMI, we go to about 20 cities across the country, and the girls who will be selected, we had over 250 entries that we got from just Hyderabad. We receive a lot of entries from all over the South region, and we selected out of the 250 entries, we've selected 6 girls who will be joining other girls from the South region at the Bangalore regional auditions, which is going to be on the 14th of January in Bangalore at the Le Meridian. The response has been absolutely amazing. The girls that we've selected, I could not be happier with them. They have so much potential, and they're all young, they're very enthusiastic, they're all aspirational. So I mean, we wish them nothing but the best, and we hope they go very far in the competition. So we have at the Miss India organization, where obviously it's a little bit of, we don't go by looks. It's a little bit of personality and looks at the same time. It's an amalgamation of everything. So the parameters that we choose, beauty is a very subjective thing. So we obviously go by the mandates, which are height. So the girl has to be 5'6" and above. She has to be between 18 to 25 years old. She has to be obviously an Indian passport holder. A girl who represents India at an international level has to be an Indian citizen. She has to be single, not married, and not engaged. That's about it.